In this video, I will show you how you can find your block list in League of Legends. First, what you need to do is you need to log into your account. Once you're in here on the home page, you should see a little cogwheel up here. You're gonna click on that. Then you should open up the settings here, and on the left side you should see a place that says Blocklist. Click on it. From in here, I just added an old account on the block list just to show an example. From in here, everyone you blocked will be here. You can type in a name that you want to block. Let's say you played with someone and you cannot find them in the recent played to block. You can just do it in here. Also, if you have people blocked in here and you want to unblock them, select them and there should be a little X. If you click on it, they will now be unblocked. And it's that simple, guys. Thank you for watching.